What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. We got Vochain on absolute fire today, and I'm going to share some news on why that is taking place. So, first off, let's just start off with the banger. Let's not even play around. We got Vochain listing on a tier 1 exchange called Huobi. I'm sure a lot of y'all are familiar with that, one of the leading exchanges out of China. Tons of different users. This is very, very bullish because it gives Vochain access to, access to Vochain to a ton of other people on, from where I am in a different part of the world. So it's good to see, my brothers over there getting voted. Also, we got Poloniex saying about this is due to its good performance on Poloniex, Volt is the first referral project successfully listed on Huobi Global since our strategic partnership. More successful listings will be proposed to Huobi in the future. So think about how bullish that is, y'all. Vochain was performing so well on another exchange that they referred them in a first-time case in history to, Huobi, and that's major for, Poloniex to refer us to Huobi and Huobi to do their due diligence and determine to still list Vochain. That's an absolute positive. That's one of those marks we want to put in our due diligence, on the due diligence side of, okay, obviously we always do our own due diligence, but when we could see tier 1 exchanges accepting Vochain or, willing to collaborate or list Vochain, that's another, connect the dots right there. But also, Vitoshi says good morning to a vote today. We're just going to go through all the updates for today. Also, let's take a sneak peek over at the chart real quick. Take a look at this, y'all. We got Vochain on absolute fire right now. Vochain up 23.75%. Take a look at this green candle. A lot of confidence taking us up to this next leg right here. It's looking like, we want to be on a chase for that all-time high. Now, we just recently made that, we got that November 18th high we have to take out. It looks like that's what we're coming for right now. But aside from that, we got that all-time high of at around April 26th of 36.41, just about, give or take a little bit. So right now, Vochain not too far away from his all-time high, looking like it's primed too on the takeoff. Now, let's go back to Vochain on Twitter. Also, we got Jake saying Vochain will be listed on tier 1 exchange Huobi this week. Huobi has over 10 million weekly visits and does over 500 million in trading volume per day. Think about Vochain even getting a percentage of that trading volume. That's going to be super bullish for us. Then we got Crypto Tony saying the meme coin king Vochain is adding another tier 1 exchange under his belt. Everybody excited about this. Shout out to Kareem. He shared with us that Volt and Huobi, our newest listing, are trending on Twitter. Probably nothing. Twitter is feeling the voltage. So that's a good sign right there. Toshi says Volt and Huobi both trending on Twitter, soon voting together. This new tier 1 listing. So basically, people connecting the dots, people talking about it, people getting excited. I believe the listing actually takes place it says Vochain will get listed on Huobi Global March 13th. So it looks like on the 13th, we got about 5 more days until then. So founded in 2013, Huobi is one of the leading exchanges in terms of volume and users, especially with their strong user base in China. The listing will significantly increase the Volt legitimacy and accessibility. Shout out to Henoch as well. He said Volt will be listed on a tier 1 exchange. It's epic. We'll celebrate, but what if I told you this is only the beginning? The first domino is falling. I'll say it again. March is going to be the most significant month in Volt history. So excited to see that. Henoch connecting some dots over there as well. We got Poloniex saying all you need to know about Vochain official in one picture. Click to trade. So I like that they got. Let's take a look and see if we can open this up. So I'll just read it to you. Name of the project: Vochain token, Volt chain, ETH, BSC, and Polygon. Y'all know we got the Polygon chain now available. Trading pairs: Volt USDT. Introduction: Vochain is a community-driven meme project based on the Ethereum. The Vochain project offers Vochain 2D Racers, a browser-based online game where users can enjoy free races and pay to play for projects which they can choose and or create before playing. NFT, meme, game, 69 trillion, 97.9 fully diluted valuation. Volt, the first project to become recommended by Poloniex to be listed on Huobi for free. Absolutely bullish, and it was for free too. I didn't know that. So that was, that's really showing that, they really rock with Vochain, not even charging that listing fee. Uh, so let's see what Toshi says here. So Coin CDX, Coin DCX, one of India's two largest central exchanges, will list Volt on March 10th, y'all. Another major exchange listing. This is a huge achievement supporting our marketing campaign in that country, as CoinDCX will significantly increase the Volt adoption with their 13 million plus users. So they say CoinDCX says, attention crypto Twitter, Volt Inu is coming soon on our app. Get ready to trade on CoinDCX app from March 10th. So bullish to see that. Knock over here is super voltage. Shout out to Crypto Latina. Says the voltage literally never stops. Volt Army, see you 10 a.m. Eastern time. Tagged a few Volt community members in there. But Toshi says vote for Volt to get listed on Travel Care token. The listing will be approved if we get 500 votes by March 23rd. Follow the below instructions and cast your vote here. I believe this was already voted because I did see a partnership with Travel Care token already listed on the vote page. But Jake says, you know the drill, can join us at 9 a.m. Pacific time for some huge vote updates. So you see we got a ton of, Vote Inu influencers, people who are excited about the community, excited about the project itself, and continuing to make updates. That's one thing you want to see. Shout out to Mike the Investor as well. He says, quick update on one of the top 10 meme coins. Vote has serious work ethic. Vote Army. Don't take my word for it. Check the track record. So salute to him dropping some content on Volt Inu. Voltoshi says, on top of trending on Twitter and several other platforms, Volt is also trending on major exchanges such as Gate.io and LBank Exchange. And then Altcoin Gordon says, it's time, it's meme coin season, and Volt keeps delivering. Send it, lads. We're going to take a look at Volt Inu's chart one more time before we get out of here. Also, Vatoshi letting everybody know, happy Voted Women's Day, as it's an extremely voted day, and as we wouldn't want to miss, or as we wouldn't vote so much without all the ladies of the Vote Army, we will sponsor the ladies stream at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Join us there, $1,000 giveaway. So salute to Ladybug holding it down. I will be on her stream again very soon. Vatoshi says, biggest news of 2023, we can do better. We will vote better. Then Pablo talking about the Coin DCX listing. Due to his, okay, so we got the retweet on that. So here's a thread from Vatoshi says, why is Huobi such a voted achievement and listing for Volt? With the recent moves made by Huobi in China, this tier 1 is once again breaking records to the point of surpassing all exchanges but Binance in terms of weekly users. So this is basically the second largest exchange in the world, basically, when it comes to weekly users. It appears is what it's saying. So bullish crypto momentum in China, Asia, bullish moves from Huobi in China, where they are already have a strong user base, bullish marketing that we started in China a few weeks ago. And then all this combined with Volt being in the top projects by volume on Poloniex seems to have led Poloniex to make Volt become the first project they ever recommended to list. That is absolutely wild. Think about how powerful that is, and think about the other exchanges that may get word of, this referral and, decide to list Volt Inu as well. So that's super, super bullish. Shout out to Rodney. He said, had to make another Volt video. 2 big exchange listings. Was a referral from Poloniex, and Travel Care token is giving you the opportunity to travel using Volt. So that's the Travel Care token update as well. Like he said, you can use, they're allowing you to use Volt. So it looks like, maybe if you're traveling, you can start to spend Volt Inu. Of course, a lot of us aren't going to want to spend our Volt Inu, but you'll have the option to. So it's already a voted date, but let's vote even more. For the next 24 hours, everybody on ETH, BSC, or Polygon will receive the 13% tax back in Volt at the end of the event. So right now you still have 21 hours to buy Volt Inu and receive basically tax-free Volt. So after months of FUD and negativity, it is an incredible show of strength from an exchange and brand like Crypto.com to be back in the top 10 just behind Huobi that is about to list us. So think about that. Crypto.com possibly about to list Volt Inu. Connect the dots, man. It says, seeing this platform with 80 million plus users, a large portion of which are big supporters of tokens such as SHIB, Shine, again, is a blessing for meme coins such as Volt and for the whole crypto industry. So basically saying, you know, we can see a ton of users using exchanges like crypto.com. And when it comes to the, not reserves, but the users' funds that, you know, crypto.com is holding, the largest portion of tokens they're holding is shibainu, because that's what the users are holding. That's what is inside of people's portfolio. So they have to hold basically what users are holding. So really that's a good sign for meme coins in general, and especially when it comes to a strong project like vechain. So you really want to connect some dots here and just, you know, understand this is still the beginning. We're still building. We're still, you know, in that phase of growth where, you know, not too many people, enough people know about Volt, but there's still a ton of people that have yet to learn about vechain, and I hope y'all are prepared for this journey. So let's take one more look at this chart. Vechain still moving up 23.86 right now, so it's showing signs of it not wanting to slow down. Right now on the DeFi side, $377,000 in trading volume in the last 24 hours. We can see in the last 6 hours, Vechain was up 5%, and in the last 1 hour, almost about 1%. So looking good right now. We are sitting at a $107 million market cap. We got Vechain reaching and testing around that upper Bollinger Band level. It's testing around that upper Bollinger Band level. We do see some sell-off as we get up into this range. So let's see if Vechain can blast through this level here. We got the RSI at a 65. So still it's getting close to overbought, but not yet overbought. It's not, you know, it's not showing signs yet that it would just likely turn around, because this is a lot of confidence. Also, if we look at the RSI, we can see at one point RSI was up to 87. So we're not too shy to get around that 70 range and still be able to keep moving. MACD did just kind of cross over the signal line, so that is a sign for investors to go long. So we could continue to see this bullish momentum on Vechain taking us even further, possibly even testing that range of 2481, 2500 points per coin, you know, give or take a little bit. But yeah, that's all we got for this video. Just want to keep y'all updated. Take a look at all these buys coming in. Take a look at all the buys versus the sales. All buys, 2 sales right there. Even if we look on the main, you know, part, we can see there's been 353 buys and only 52 sales in the last 24 hours. Y'all connect the dots, man. Vechain to the moon. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And